Have another example of the product of two factors. Okay, so this is going to be my u, and this factor is going to be my v. So u is equal x to the third. Derivative of it is equal 3x squared. My v is equal 8x plus 7 to the second power. V prime, okay, because we have composite function, we're supposed to use this formula to find the derivative of it. Okay, so the formula says I have to write constant. Remember, anytime I do not have a coefficient over here, so there is always invisible one. So at this moment I'm not going to write this because this is not going to change anything for me. So next I'm supposed to write the exponent. So my exponent is equal to. Next I'm supposed to write the content of the parentheses, 8x plus 7, and I have n minus 1, so I have 2 minus 1, times the derivative of the content of the parentheses. So I have d, okay, derivative 8x plus 7 respect to x. Okay, so I have v prime is equal to 8x plus 7 to the first power, I'm not going to write it, times derivative of the sum. So derivative of 8x is equal 8, and derivative of 7 is equal 0. So v prime is equal 2 times 8 is 16, 8x plus 7. And I'm going to leave the derivative of v in this form. So next, I'm supposed to apply the rule for the product of two factors. So I have y prime is equal u. My u is equal x cubed times v prime. V prime is 16 8x plus 7 plus v is equal 8x plus 7 to the second power times u prime, and u prime is equal 3x squared. Okay, so what we can do over here, we're supposed to organize this a little bit. So I have x cubed times 16 is equal 16x cubed, open parenthesis, 8x plus 7 plus, I'm going to bring down 3x squared to the front, so I have 3x squared, and I have 8x plus 7 to the second power. Okay, so we can do some factorization. So if y prime is equal, I have x cubed and I have x squared. I can factorize that. So I have x squared, and common factor, I have the content of the parentheses. So I have 8x plus 7, and everything multiplied by whatever left. So I have 16x plus 3 times 8x plus 7. Okay, so I have y prime is equal, we can distribute this x into the parentheses, so we're going to have 8x cubed plus 7x squared times 16x plus 24x plus 21. So this is equal. I'm going to copy this down. I have 8x cubed plus 7x squared. 16x plus 24x is equal 40x plus 21. Okay, I can leave my answer like this, but if you want to perform the further multiplication, is okay too, but this answer is good enough. So I can say that the problem is solved.